Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Thornton, and this is our library time for this week. And I'm going to read you an informational text about farm animals. It's called Farm Animals, and it's written by Wade Cooper. There's our title page, Farm Animals by Wade Cooper, and it's published by Cartwheel Books, an imprint of Scholastic. We live on the farm. We live on the farm, we sleep on soft hay, we run around the farmyard, we love to play. With a moo, snort, and cluck, a meow, quack, and baa, wouldn't you like to know who we all are? Farm animals. The animals that live on the farm help us in many ways. Some give us eggs, some give us wool for clothes, some give us meat, some give us milk to drink. Do you know who does what? Lamb. Baa, baa. My mom is a ewe, my dad is a ram, and me? Well, I'm a fluffy lamb. Did you know? In summer, farmers shear their sheep. The sheep keep cool, and the farmers keep the wool. Sheepdog. Woof, woof. I help the farmer to herd his sheep. Then I lie in my basket and fall fast asleep. I wag my tail when I'm happy and glad. I yelp and howl when I'm feeling sad. Did you know? Farmers use whistles to talk to their dogs and tell them what to do. Pig. I grunt and I snort and I dig about. I look for roots with my pink piggy snout. When it's hot, I roll in the mud or a pool. It's the only way I can keep my cool. They say oink oink. Did you know? Pig meat is called pork. Ham, bacon, and sausages are all kinds of pork. Chicken. Cock-a-doodle-doo. I strut around, I scratch the ground. I'm fine, I'm proud, I'm very loud. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cluck, cluck. I scratch for food with my chicken feet, and I lay eggs for you to eat. Did you know chickens cannot fly far? They use their wings to fly up to a perch at night. Cow. Moo, moo. I'm a cow, hear me moo. I make milk, it's good for you. Did you know? Milk is used to make butter, cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. Horse. Nay, nay. I stand up all day. I eat grass and hay. But what I like best is to gallop and play. Did you know? Horses were once used to pull plows and carts on the farm. Plows helped dig up the ground so you could plant vegetables, and carts carried things around like people and supplies. Duck. See me waddle? Hear me quack. I duck underwater for a weedy snack. I'm always looking for food to eat. I splash all day with my wings and feet. Quack, quack. So there's the picture of the ducks. And did you know? Ducks have waterproof feathers to keep them dry. Goat. I have a beard and horns, I'm a billy goat. When it's cold, I keep warm in my woolly coat. In the fields I skip around. See how high I leap and bound? Did you know goat's milk can be used to make tasty cheeses? Cat, meow, meow. During the day I wash my paws, but when nighttime comes I sharpen my claws. I sneak around the barn at night. I'm ready to pounce on an unlikely mouse. Did you know cats have special eyes so they can see at night? Goose. I hang out by the pond where I like to be the boss. Mess with me and I'll become cross. Then I'll honk and hiss just like this. Honk, 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 honk. Did you know geese eat grass? They pull it up with their strong beaks. So I hope you enjoyed that story, and I will give your teacher some suggestions for some fun things you can do along with the book. Have fun. Bye.